Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now, you need to click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom, and the only way to customize this gesture is to disable or enable it. We can change functionality. So, for example, if I press one time at the touch area, I will lower the volume. As you can see, it works, and I cannot change it. I cannot set it for the double press, triple press, or press and hold. Now, to disable these gestures, right here we have a button disable functions, and if the slider near to it have empty background, it means that it's disabled and you can use your gesture. If you tap on it, you will enable it, and this slider start to have a colorful background. And now if I press again one time, as you can see, nothing happened. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.